I tested Temu lures and this is what happened. There's one. Oh yeah. Right away. Beautiful smallmouth on the Temu Ned rig. Thank you for biting. One. Got one. On the plopper. Get him up here. Yeah. It is a smallmouth. Thanks for biting, buddy. Alright, we got another one grabbing it. Got him. There we go, finally. Oh no, he came off. Thank you for biting, buddy. You grabbed it. Got him. That's a much bigger rock bass. Oh yeah. These things shake. Wow. Beautiful colors on them. Thank you for biting, buddy. Another great fish. Subscribe!